teacher Heidi, and before we proceed to our class today, let us start our day with a prayer. Please bow down your head and put yourselves in the holy presence of our God. Okay, good morning everyone! How was your day? Okay, very good! And now you may take your seat because I'm going to check your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Jane, Rose, Albert. Very good! Nobody's absent for today. And now for our class discussion, we are going to learn about the different types of soil. But before that, let me check if who knows what soil is. Very good! I guess everybody knows what soil is. And now we will start our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is about the different types of soil. Class, do you know any types of soil? Okay then, let us get to know what are the different types of soil. But first, let us watch a short video for you to be able to get familiarized with the different types of soil. And what are those types? Class, please watch the video and listen carefully.
Soil covers most of the land part of the earth. You find plants, animals, houses, and other organisms on the soil. We live on the soil and it helps us in many ways. Different types of soil have different physical characteristics. Soil type differs in color, texture, odor, and its ability to hold water. Some soils are good for planting, while others are not. The presence of the different kinds of vegetative plants in a place is an evidence of a good quality of soil in the area or locality. Now, there are different types of soil in our environment. These are clay, loam, and sand. Clay particles are packed together tightly. It is sticky when wet and has the finest texture, while loam is a mixture of sand and clay. It contains large amount of decaying plants and animals, and it has a fine texture. And lastly, sand particles are coarse and loose.
Now class, after watching the video, what have you learned? Can anyone tell me or can anyone recall what are the different types of soil? Yes, Arthur! Very good! Those are the different types of soil, namely the clay, the loam, and the sand. Let's all clap our hands to Arthur. Very good! So class, to sum up our discussion today, there are 3 different types of soil. And they also differ from their physical characteristics, namely the clay, a yellow to red color, has finest texture, swampy, bad smell to a very strong sulfurous odor, and flows and absorbs water slowly. The second one is low, a dark brown, has a fine particles, has earthly odor, and flows and absorbs water readily and is able to store it to be used by plants. And the last one is sand, a light brown, feel gritty or floury texture, and water flows easily and has less water retention. Class, did you understand our topic today? Very good! So then, I want you to do some activities to further test the learnings that you gained from our lesson today. And I attach an assignment for you to be able to answer it at home. Class, that's all for today.